Hi friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal license exam reviewer. This is the set 2 multiple choice questions. So number 1, on a lanyard, how many people can be attached to a harness? A1, B2, C4, D6. Correct answer is A1. Number 2, on a changeover of oil from mineral oil to POE, how do you measure the percentage of MO left in the system? A. Refractometer, B. Hydrometer, C. Hygrometer, D. Oil test kit. Correct answer is A. Refractometer. Number 3, on a walk-in cooler, what safety device is installed on the inside? A. Inside door latch, B. Light switch, C. Temperature gauge, D. Heat sensor. Correct answer is inside door latch. Number 4, where is the thermostat remote valve located on a walk-in cooler? A. On the supply airstream, B. On the return airstream, C. Adjacent from the door, D. Furthest from the door. Correct answer is B. On the return airstream. Number 5, on a cooling tower, where do you put the sensor for your three-way valve control? A. Inlet of the cooling tower, B. Outlet of the cooling tower, C. Inlet of the system pump, or D. Outlet of the system pump. Correct answer is B. Outlet of the cooling tower. 6. When installing a three-way mixing valve on a chilled water coil, what would you hook up to the normally open on the valve? A. Bypass, B. Chilled water coil inlet, C. Chilled water coil outlet, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Bypass. Number 7, how do you test the integrity of your vacuum pump after an oil change? A. Close the ballast, hook up micron gauge, open vacuum valve, and turn on vacuum. B. Hook up micron gauge, open vacuum valve, open ballast. C. Hook up micron gauges, turn on vacuum pump, open ballast. Or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Close the ballast, hook up micron gauge, open the vacuum valve, and turn on vacuum. Number 8, an HRV system continuously replaces stale indoor air with what? A. Fresh outdoor air, B. Make-up air, C. Recirculated air, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is fresh outdoor air. Number 9, for a dehumidifier, which option is for best operational performance? A. 4-pass low velocity, B. 4-pass high velocity, C. 8-pass high velocity, or D. 8-pass low velocity. Correct answer is D. 8-pass low velocity. Last question. Number 10. What do you critically inspect on an HRV? A. Piping, B. Ductwork, C. Air filters, or D. Concentration. Most critical inspection is C. Air filters. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Cheers and have a good one.